How are you doing, math learners? This is your free access YouTube edu creator, Math Teacher Ash, and today we're going to discuss how to factor polynomials using the GCF, or the greatest common factor. In this video, you will learn how to use the greatest common factor in factoring polynomials. If you don't know anything about this topic, then I suggest you finish this video. But before anything else, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated of these cool, clear math videos just like this. Okay, math learners, welcome to another session here in Math Learning with Sir Ash, and today we're going to discuss how to factor polynomials using the greatest common factor. Now, in using the greatest common factor, my dear math learners, this is also known as the Common Monomial Factor. This is part of the lesson in the grade 8 as well as in the grade 10. Now, we will try to factor this given by using the greatest common factor. Okay, now, to use the greatest common factor, my dear math learners, these are the things you need to consider. In terms of variables, you will get the common variable and the lowest exponent among the given terms. In terms of number, you will get the greatest common factor. You can use the prime factorization to do so. Okay, let's start. Okay, for our first given, 2m cubed y minus 12m squared y to the fourth. Okay, now, how do we factor this? The first factor is to look at by the numbers, 2 and 12. So what is the factor of 2 and 12? Alright, the factor is 2. So therefore, you write 2 here. And then, for m, is there an m here? Yes. Is there an m here? Yes. You get m and you follow the lowest exponent. This is m cubed, this is m squared, so I will follow this one. Then we go with y. Do we have y in the first term? Do we have y on the second term? Yes. So we will get y, and then we get the lowest exponent, and that is 1 here. So this is our greatest common factor for our first given. Now, the next step is to complete the factors. By using this greatest common factor, we will try to divide this through here. Okay, so 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Okay, m cubed divided by m squared, that is m. Y divided by y, none. Okay, next, negative 12 divided by 2, that is negative 6. M squared divided by m squared, that is none. Y to the fourth divided by y, that is y cubed. And that is the final answer. Now, my dear math learners, if you might ask me, Sir, why did you say none? Because I am referring to cancellation. If they are both the same, you can cancel them. But always remember, a number divided by to its identical, the answer is always 1. But since there are still other terms to be divided, so I did not consider the 1. Instead, I just canceled them. Alright! Now, let's consider the second example. We have here 33w cubed squared y squared plus 11w squared y squared. Okay, 33 and 11. What is the greatest common factor? Or what number can be divided by 11 as well as by 33? Okay, very good. That is 11. Okay, how about w? We have also 2 w's. So we will get the lower exponent, and that is w squared. How about y? They are the same, identical, y squared. Okay, so we just put y squared. And then we divide this polynomial by this monomial. Okay, so 33 divided by 11, that is 3. W cubed divided by w squared, that is w. Y squared divided by y squared, none. Okay, or 1. But for cancellation, it will be cancelled out. Okay, 11 divided by 11, that is 1. I'll just set that aside. W squared divided by w squared, that is still cancelled. Y squared divided by y squared, that is cancelled. Then this is identical to this one, so I will be putting 1 here. Okay, so my two factors are 11w squared y squared and the binomial 3w plus 1. Easy, right? Okay, how about problem number 3? We have 9cd to the fourth minus 6c squared d squared minus 3c cubed d. Alright, so we have trinomial. Now, what is common on 9, 6, and 3? Very good. That is 3. Okay, so we have the c Okay, it is available in the three terms, but the lowest is this one, so we put C here. Now we get the D. Okay, the lowest term is this one. Alright, now we divide. 9 divided by 3, that is 3. C divided by C, cancelled. D4 divided by D, that is D cube. Alright, minus 6 divided by 3, that is 2. 6 squared, C squared divided by C, that is C. D squared divided by D, that is D. Okay, so I'll just continue in the lower part. So I will use minus. So 3 divided by 3, 1. C cubed divided by C, C squared. Okay, D divided by D, none. Okay, so therefore I have 3CD times 3D cubed minus 2CD minus C squared as its factors. Alright, now let's go to the second to the last. We have 2x cubed y squared minus 16x squared y cubed plus 8x squared y squared. So 2, 16, and 8, the common is 2. X cubed, x cubed, x squared, x squared. Okay, x squared. Y squared, y cubed, y squared, y squared. Okay, I hope you follow, my dear math learners. Okay, now if we divide this to here, 2 divided by 2 is 1, x cubed divided by x squared is x. Y squared, cancelled. Okay, second term, minus 60 divided by 2, that is 8. X squared, cancelled. Y cubed, y squared, y. Alright, plus 8 divided by 2, 4. X squared, cancelled. Y squared, cancelled. Okay, so we have the factors 2x squared, y squared, and x minus 8y plus 4. Easy, right? Now, going to our last example. So, we have here 15x squared plus 21y squared. So, 15 and 21, what is the greatest common factor? Very good. That is 3. X we have here, but not over here. We have y over here, but not on the first term. So, therefore, no variables can be a factor of the two terms. So, we will just have 3 as its GCF. So, by doing so, we have 15x squared divided by 3, that is 5x squared. 21y squared divided by 3, that is 7y squared. And that is our final answer for this given problem. And now, this is the time that I will challenge you whether you have understood our topic, and here it is. Hey math learners, if you want to learn more cool, clear math videos and learn mathematics in the easy way, check out these videos right here. Keep safe everyone, and always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning.